The last and final, in times of storm, learn to be strong. Sa panahon ng mga bagyo, matuto kang maging matatag at malakas. Sabi ng Job 23 verse 10, when he had tried me, I shall comfort as gold. Bino mo sinabi ni Job, nang ako'y sinusubok ng Diyos, ako'y magiging katulad ng isang ginto. Gold is not destroyed by fire, but gold is being refined by fire. Alam ni Job na mga pagsubok na ito, kailanman ay hindi para siya po'y wasakin, sirain at pabagsakin. Alam niya tulad ng isang ginto, ang apoy, ang pagsubok nito ay parang isang apoy na nire-refine ang kanyang buhay at pananampalataya. The storm did not stop Job, but the storm shaped the faith of Job. Sometimes God allows the fire in our life, not to burn us, but to purify us. Job lost everything externally. Halos lahat nawala sa kanya externally. But internally, he was becoming gold. Lahat ng kanyang mga kayamanan sa panlabas, halos nawala lahat. Pero yung kanyang panloob ay hinuhubog, hinuhulma, dinadalisay ng Diyos tulad ng isang ginto. So again, in times of your storm, tandaan natin, you are like a gold. You are not being destroyed by fire. You are being refined by fire. You are not being burned by fire. You are being purified by fire. Kaya tayong lahat, learn to be strong in times of your storm. Bakit po? Sa Job 42 verse 10, ito yung pinaka-last chapter ng Job. Lahat ng naging steadfast, lahat ng mga nag-surrender, at lahat ng mga naging strong sa panahon ng kanilang Job seasons of life, sa Job 42 verse 10, God restored double. Lahat ng nawala kay Job, binalik ng Diyos ng doble. So God did not just return what was lost, but God multiplied what He endured. So our suffering has an expiration date. Take note, pakisulat, my suffering has an expiration date. But our perseverance has an eternal reward. Kaya kapatid, kaibigan, habang ikaw ay dumadaan sa tinatawag nating Job season of life, habang ikaw ay dumadaan sa mga storms of life, tandaan po natin yan. Ano man bagay na mawala sa gitna ng mga bagyo, papalitan ng Diyos ng doble. At yung bagyong yan, gaano man kalakas, gaano man kabigat, gaano man kasakit, meron yan expiration date. At kung mananatili kang matatag, matibay, persevering, meron yang eternal reward.